Anything you say, you must get a haircut.
You don't get this on video.
I don't care. It's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be on
Dad's-
YouTube forever.
Good.
Kelsey! I'm about to ride on our driveway all the way down a hill of our house. Do you like our house? Beautiful. This is our neighborhood. Yeah. Was that fun?
Hi, sweetheart.
What you looking at? Just look on that. What you looking at?
What's something unnecessary?
This is our lawnmower.
You have AAA battery?
And it broke up like a couple, it broke up yesterday.
You have AAA batteries?
My dad fixed it.
You don't know what a battery
This
is?
is a go-kart. It's pretty broken. For very, and if you like dogs, we used to have two dogs. First named Monty. He was a little longer than Zoe. She's a little adorable dog. But Monty, trust me, he's way better. He's adorable. Listen to what my dad put up. I don't know why, but. That's a little.
Just remember that.
What are you doing?
Loyalty to your mother.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What are you doing?
We're just joking around with each other.
Why?
We're just talking
Where are you going, Kels?
in circles.
Are you literally filming it? Yeah. People are never gonna watch this. You shouldn't say that. You're gonna make them mad. Are we on live? No. It's on record. Well, then don't post it. It's on record. But this is a super long video.
Don't worry, she'll run out of space before you know it.
It's only 2 minutes long, Kelsey.